Hey, there you are. Welcome to the Back Doors channel. We're gonna go for a ride. I don't know what ride we're taking, but we're taking a ride. What time is it? We got 15 minutes to get ready or leave. Yeah. You dirty? Well, I clean your lens. Run an intro. Hey, you working, so we ain't left yet, but we on time. Oh, me. Alright, believe it or not, we left on... No, we didn't. 3 minutes late. Dang it. Good enough. Good enough. Hey. So what we doing today, I don't know yet, but I got 2 plans, and we'll see which one works out. Oh, me. So like I said, we remember the Southern Cruiser Riding Club, but I'm the second officer of the Wise Lake chapter, which is about 5 people that don't do nothing anymore. But anyway, we've been riding, or I've been riding with well, it's pretty cool right here, 74 degrees. I've been riding with the 365ers at the Talladega chapter, which most of them lives in Villa Rica and Carrollton and West Georgia. But anyway, so this is Father's Day weekend. We ride June 14th, 15th, and so I said, hey, let's ride down to the grist mill, and then been talking about going to the back porch and eat, and so I came up with this ride. So we'll see if anybody shows up on Facebooks or Faces. Nobody looked like they wanted to, but a couple of people said that, hey, they want to share it. So if they show up, that's where we go. If they don't show up, then we'll do something else. So whichever, I'm not going to say anything else till we get there. It's 74 degrees, June 15th, and we'll see you when we're at the Shell station. I don't know, can y'all see that on the other side? Check that old beat truck out. There's an old car there. Well, nobody's here yet. Well, the kickstand ain't up till 9 o'clock. 9:30, excuse me. I hate when people park right on the edge of the road. Can't see. Should be a law against that. See that truck? You can't see him, probably can't. Alright, so just me and the wife. We waited to we waited 10 minutes after the kickstand's up. Well, they ain't working today. Oh, so yeah, that's where I get my hair cut. Pack that away. Oh, me. So it's just me and the wife. So I think we're gonna do a wine deal. Happy wife, happy life. So we're going to a new winery for us anyway, down in Alpine, Alabama, Talladega, Childersburg area. So yeah, so come along and we tell the facts. I told you they was building a new store there. Hey, did the Cadillac? I didn't look see if the Cadillac was still there. There was old Cadillacs that's right there forever. Yep, I'm recording. So nobody showed up, so that means we could do what we want to do. Yeah, buddy. So let's kick it off with the wine facts and all. Oh, do you know that people love to relax with a glass of wine, but may not realize there's a whole lot of weird and fun, curious about the drink. So, what's the first one? Oh, do you know? It's the fear of wine. I'll put the word right up here because I had it and then I lost it. Odophobia. Anyway, whatever the there's a fear of wine, and it's over. Moving on. Oh, you want to record it? So this is the winery going to is called Nova, N-O-V-E, something like that. N-O-V-I, Nova. That's the way I'm saying it. Down in Alpine, Alabama. Oh, do you know wine's good for the heart? It coronary artery disease. It helps with that. Yeah. So drink wine. It's good for your heart. Makes you fart. No, that's for the beans. Hey, we read up on some slow friends. I don't mean they slow as in mentally slow. They could be. I don't know. I don't know them. But they running pretty slow. Yeah, buddy. They enjoying a nice sunny day. Well, that was fun. I wasn't gonna pass them, but they wanted me to. Oh, do you know that the oldest bottle of wine, it dates back to 325 BC? That's before Christ. Yeah. It was found in a Roman tomb in 1867. It's very old. Oh, look. I ran up on some more friends. These are slow friends. They on trikes, gold wing trikes. Yeah, buddy. That one in the back got a pretty airbrushing on it. They out with their dates for a Saturday ride. Oh, geese. Oh, they got little goblins. Bunch of little geese. That was an old Model T up there in the barn. Got waterfalls and wolves and lightning and a bunch of stuff painted on that one. We turning down here, but hopefully they don't turn in 8/10 of a mile. Oh, do you know, this is a fun one. This is a fun fact. Oh, do you know during Prohibition, grape juice sales skyrocketed to 700% during the first 5 years of Prohibition. Grape concentrate was sold with a label, sold with a label after dissolving in water because it was concentrated. Do not, it was warning label, do not place, put in a way in a, do not, I don't know what I wrote here. But anyway, concentrated wine, they put it in water and add sugar, I guess, and yeast or whatever to make it. And don't put it in a dark place away for a while after you, so it ferments and makes wine. That was good marketing. Alrighty, folks, that was some cool wine facts, wasn't it? Oh, me. BBB boat storage. Alright, we got a, I don't know, yeah, I believe I'm going right. I think last time I came, I don't remember. Been a while. It's been last year since we been over here, so over to the back porch in Alpine, Alabama. I think last time we came from that way, and we coming from this way. This time, I see the signs. Maybe we didn't. I don't remember. There's a Harbor Grill, back porch, creekside grill, and cafeteria, a cafe. I don't know, bar and grill. All right. I remember we went past it last time, so and then had to turn around and come back. Oh, do you know toasting is not really the clanging the glasses together? It's actually in ancient Roman time, would drink a glass of wine, would drop toast of burnt bread into the wine to soften the taste of the acid wining, the acid of the wine. They was light drinkers. Don't let hard stuff for them. Now I believe what too, it's 30 acres for almost $1 million. Yeah, last time I think you wanted to turn down that road. We're a little early too. I hope they'll let us in. I think. No, that's the. Yeah. More boat storage. Boat storage. That's the water. All them campers and lakeside cabins or whatever you want to call it. Dude, there's some utes. I remember the utes. And I remember it wanted us to turn here, but we can't turn there because that's a private drive too. We got to turn up here. I didn't go past it. Yard sale today. Oh, this old car over there. Come on, share the road, buddy. Four-wheelers. Come on, share the road. Your truck ain't that big. There goes a boat. There, here we are. We ID. Duck. Duck, 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 goose. Hey, ducky. Duck, duck, quack, 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 quack. Hey, you working? Whew, seat's hot. So, we eat here at the back porch. I believe I got ripped off because I wanted grouper. And I think I got catfish. Sure didn't taste like grouper, which grouper is a mild fish, and that was grilled. So either way, $10 is probably difference in it. You get turned around there. One guy we got here when we did though, because it made us wait outside for 5 minutes before they opened, and in that 5 minutes, like 30 people came up. Whew. And they needed bigger air conditioning. Anyway, so we were running down to this Nova. N-O-V-I. Nova. It's N-A, no go in Mexican. It's Spanish. Alright, so we'll see you when we'll hit a fax or wine, and we'll see you when we get there. Now we on Riser Mill Road. I hope it don't turn into dirt. That's okay, because I'm a dirt road bagger. Oh, me. Waiting on my sticker. Oh, that fish is coming back up on me. Whew. Oh, do you know the wine has a unique history pertaining to European word wino, means friend in French, which means friend in European. I guess I don't know what I wrote there, but anyway, wino means friends in a language, European language, European word, Latin. Oh, maybe. Okay. You know, there's over 10,000 different grape varieties. 10,000 different grapes. It's muscadine grape. No, it's a muscadine. Yep. Alright, some facts about wine, huh? Facts about this place. They're saying it's a hybrid wine, like a French something, maybe something like that. Hybrid grapes. So it should be down here. If we ain't took the wrong road, I don't see how we did it. I ain't seen no signs for this place. 500 yards, and it should be down here. One says parking. It's up to the private drive parking. That's pretty cool. I ain't parking way out here. Ooh, look, a walking trail. Got wines barrels you can sit on. They do events and stuff out here. That explains the lights over there. They're parking.
Yeah, buddy. Parking, huh? Okay. Oh, this is parking. You know where I'm headed?
Over here in the shade. Good deal. Alright, hope that's got all our facts. That was pretty neat. They didn't have but one style of sweet wine. It was what do you call it? So I forget. It's got bourbon in it, brandy in it. Alrighty then, I guess we on the paved road, and I don't think we got any more facts. 84 miles to get home. Wasn't too bad. Had a good day. 95 degrees. Is it? Yep, right at 95, so it should start cooling off. So we'll see you. We won't see you till we see you again. Go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up and cheers. Well, everybody knows your name.